The bees are coming into the building right at this point right here. You can see a couple of them on the outside right here. And they're going inside and they're going into the interior wall. And so we're actually going to be doing the removal inside of the wall. The homeowners have cleared out the room and pretty much given us a nice space to be able to work in. The bees are coming in from the outside and they're going in the wall right here. This is where they are, and it's actually, the comb starts right at the top and goes all the way down to about right here. It's a pretty large one. Well, look at this. Is that impressive or what? Time to start vacuuming and looking for the queen. There she is, folks. Woo, woo. She is a beaut. Thank you, Jesus. Wow, All right. Now that we got this part over with, let's go ahead and finish vacuuming and cutting most of that comb out. And it ain't there no more. That was one sweet removal. The way those bees built that comb was spectacular. This is the entrance. In fact, you can see the rag that I stuffed in there. So we're going to just do a little bit more vacuuming up, and then we're headed to St. Michael's yard. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and just turn our queen loose on this right here. Just set her in the box. All right, there she is. So we're going to just set her in the box. We're ready to turn some bees loose. We're getting ready to open up the gate and then pull the screen out and let these girls start flying.